Alrighty guys, we're about to get started on the stereo installation. We got the Link Swell T-Style radio generation V. This is the 12.1 inch screen Android radio. This fits a 2014 2014 through 2018 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra. It's got tons of features. As you can see there, we're going to be installing it on the 2016 GMC Sierra Denali. I mean, his original stereo is pretty bad. I hope it's going to be an upgrade, not a downgrade. This is a new company. I'm crossing my fingers that it's going to be a sick stereo. So, with that being said, let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're opening up the T-Style stereo for the GMC. It's got these nice side covers for it. Just want to open it up, make sure nothing is damaged. Jeez, that's shiny. That's pretty nice. Same kind of color. We got both of them here. And this is the stereo part. Let's see what it looks like. Honestly, this is the first one I'm installing. I've never installed this kind of stereo before. So it's the first one for me. I want to show you guys what it looks like. I want to show you guys what $1,800 looks like. 1,800 bucks. Check it out. Nice big screen, touch screen. Looks pretty nice. A little on the heavy side. And this one we got the Bose adapter, because the GMC Sierra has the Bose system. So we had to get this module separately for the Bose system to work. Put that on the side there. See what else we got. We got some paperwork, warranty card, and a little bit more info here. The fun part, all the wiring harness. See, it says it's just a plug and play deal. So, like I said, I haven't done one, so let's see how easy it is. Another harness. And another harness. See, this is for the shine. Then GPS antenna, I believe, and Wi-Fi and all that good stuff. That's his bag. A little bit of brackets. And this is going to be the wiring diagram for it. So, got everything I need. We're going to go ahead and get ready to install it. So stay tuned for that. All done, guys. Ready to roll. Apple CarPlay, and it's wireless. Big 12-inch screen. Got your Pandora if you want to play some Pandora. It's got tons of apps. You go to the App Store. Go on here and download all your apps, all that good stuff. You got the Netflix option as well on here. So we won't do that right now. You got the navigation on the maps. You want to use the maps. You got to hook everything up to your hotspot on your phone. So that's why there's no internet right now. But once you hook up to your hotspot, you pretty much can use the internet on here. It's like having a nice big phone. All your videos, whatever it is that you want to look at, you can do so on here. Backup camera works. Right now I have that tailgate down, so that's why it's looking that way. You can control, I guess you can customize your apps and all that good stuff. So your background, boot logo. I'm gonna mess with all that stuff still kind of tomorrow, because right now it's already a little bit late. You got your AC controllers. On here, as before, they were on here like with buttons, so we don't use that no more.